want the box, do you?
No.
What is that?
Man, that's a scrap to be.
You almost need
Never
the scissors.
Yeah, they don't want you getting them out of there.
They really secure them. Here, pull. Pull it.
Is he helping you?
Here. Pull it. There you go.
What you got?
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Uh-oh, look who it is.
Handy Manny. Love Handy Manny, don't ya?
Yes, he does.
Yeah. He loves Handy Manny. Get a bag for the papers, I guess.